Oh, welcome back to another mix, and making it in today's mix is Gracie. Now, she explains that her page has been compromised. She has been getting backlashes, and so now she has to go ahead and use one of her backup pages to come out and speak to her followers. Now, she speak about a lot of different things. She is now trying to get her page back up and running. For more details, please listen to the video, and also please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
So, the main page, I don't know how I'm to it. So I offer use the backup page. Reach out to YouTube. I try question it. So I wait for a response from them. Because the main page, I could have used it for talk directly to a live chat person from YouTube. But it look like the regular page I'm not qualified for get a live chat same time. And I cannot do nothing more than reach out to YouTube with an email. And something reach out to them with an email take a while before them respond back to you. So I definitely I wait upon them to reach back to me for know what happened to the main page. Kinda know if it's there. I did have a little page already. And I did fight and I get it back, but it take a little while before you get it back. They might sometimes turn you down and give you like 2 weeks again before you can apply to them again. So sometimes they turn you down. So I wait for them for respond for see what them are going to say or what the problem or what the matter would be. I don't know if it's the nation, I don't know what next. I just blank. I blank, I don't know if it's there. I don't know what next step. Don't know what next step I want to do. I don't know, nationals. I cannot wait for them to reply or respond. They know what's going on. Hi, Diane. Hopefully, I just have to pray and leave it alone. But I would like to know where the attack is coming from, if I even that. But I like to know where the attack is coming from, if I even that. I noticed that from I come out yesterday, some of them I live now, nationals, honestly. Some of them when I see attack, I live now, give them no quiet a day. Because me don't see someone name them I look for ride up on. And them not gonna ride up on my one. You see, in December, in October, in November, all of them what you see, I write up on my name, no one chat negative. Me give every one of them content. Them chat about Gracie, them big up Gracie, but I never give them no forward, some of them. So the forward when me never give them, no, them I say, oh, me I go sing Gracie now. All the same one them where you see I post negative about me now. I for me name they use and ride. For me name they use and ride and reach. They feel like they reach. Yeah man. So when them blog and everybody never know about them, you know.
So that's it for today, blenders. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough respect once again to you all. Thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. Have a wonderful day.